This is Dr. Helda Pinzon-Perez. I am a faculty member in the Department of Public Health at Fresno State, and I am very honored to be a faculty member in the MPH program, the Masters of Public Health. I have been with Fresno State for 21 years as a faculty member, and I love my job. Teaching, doing research, doing community service. So I have been provided some questions and some items to address in this interview and in this introduction. So let me go ahead and address each of the items. The first one is to tell you a little bit about my academic and personal background. I am a nurse. I had a master's degree in health science. I also have a master's degree in public health, and I have a third master's degree in nursing. So as you can see, I love school. I love learning. It's really something that I treasure very much. And I also have a PhD in health education with a minor in educational psychology. I am also a nurse practitioner and a certified nurse educator. The next item says, how long have I been at Fresno State? I came to Fresno State in the fall 1999, and I have had a wonderful experience working with the various types of programs, as well as with the students of diverse backgrounds. And I am very, very fortunate and blessed to be here in the Central Valley. What inspired you to pursue public health as a profession? As I mentioned to you, I am a nurse, and I believe that as a nurse, public health is very much part of what we do in nursing. I always have worked in community health primarily, and always have had that interest for public health issues and community health issues. So for that reason, I decided to pursue a master's of public health to give me the additional training that I needed to do more effective work, more effective community work. And that's when I decided to go back to school and get an MPH at Fresno State. I believe that public health is a profession in which we transcend ourselves and look for the well-being of others from the perspective of wellness and maintaining health in our communities and also at the individual level. Public health is a profession, a domain that looks for the well-being of communities, the population at large. And as such, I got in that vision and in that mission very much the inspiration to pursue further training in public health and to actually work in public health. The next item I was given is, what are your research interests? I have worked in several areas of research. Right now, my major research interest is in complementary, alternative, holistic health, now defined as integrative health. I am also working with research and public health work with indigenous Oaxacan populations. And recently I got a small grant to do a mental health instrument for Oaxacan communities. And the instrument was to assess mental health realities, as well as the influence of the COVID-19 pandemic in this very important population in the Central Valley. And this instrument was translated into Spanish, Mixteco, and Zapoteco, and is available for anyone who needs it. I am also, I have been working during all these years of work in public health. I have worked with Hmong communities, as well as Hispanic Latinx communities, and have done some work in supporting the students in their efforts to reduce infant and maternal mortality in among African American populations in the Central Valley. The last item is some facts about me. So some fun facts about me. I am married and I have children, and they are the best blessing I could have ever had in my life. And I like for fun to listen to Andean music, and it's music of the Andean region from Peru, Colombia, Bolivia, Ecuador, and that's music that is primarily through wind instruments, and it's very soothing. It's really beautiful, very beautiful, and it's something that I love to hear on my free time. Also, I speak Spanish, and I like to teach Spanish to whoever wants to learn. And I have made my best effort to teach it to our children, and to make sure that they are fully bilingual. I like dancing very much. I like music, and I feel that I am a person who enjoys life and are happy. I also love my job with all my heart. I love working at Fresno State, and I love working with the students. So in any way or in any capacity that I can be of help, please come with me. And I am here to help you progress in your academic goals. Thank you so much.